Tired of those pesky grays showing up uninvited? What if I told you you could cover them up at home and look like you've just stepped out of a salon for a fraction of the price? Stick around because I'm about to show you how. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Roseanne, a hairdresser with 20 years of experience. And today we're tackling one of the most common hair challenges, gray coverage. And trust me, it's easier than you think. First things first, let's talk tools. You don't need a fancy salon setup to get professional results. All you need is a good quality hair dye, a bowl, a brush, a pair of gloves, and a little bit of patience. I'm going to walk you through each step so you can confidently cover those grays at home. Step 1. Choose your color. It's important to pick a color that matches your natural hair color or a shade darker to give you a richer finish. Most at-home kits come with everything you need, but if you're feeling a little fancy, you can mix a little conditioner for extra shine. Now here's a pro tip. Always start applying the dye where the grays are more prominent, usually around the hairline and parting. These areas need the most coverage, so give them the love they deserve. Work the dye through your roots first, then spread it evenly through the rest of your hair. Let it sit for the recommended time, no peeking. While you're waiting, why not treat yourself to a little self-care? Sip some tea, read a book, or watch your favorite TV show. Remember, this is your at-home spa moment. When it's time to rinse, use cool water to lock in the color and add extra shine. And voila, you've just covered those grays like a pro. Right from the comfort of your own home. Give yourself a pat on the back. One last thing, always follow up with a color-safe shampoo and conditioner to keep the hair looking vibrant and shiny. And there you have it, gorgeous gray-free hair without the salon price. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and press the notification bell so you never miss another fabulous video. Drop a comment below if you tried this at home. I'd love to hear how it went. See you in the next video, and remember, beautiful hair doesn't have to cost a fortune.